With Suraasa, the way I model up with my lesson plans, it was quite different. How structured I had to follow, what sort of prior knowledge I need to use of Bloom's taxonomy, all of these things, looking at a cognitive level of a student, all
Mhm.
these factors I had to gel it up together to form a lesson plan and then produce it in a classroom in a given period of time.
Mhm.
So this was one main thing that changed the entire journey for me when it comes to critical thinking. When you finish almost like the last part of PgCTL, you
Mhm.
have a section where one-on-one mentors are there,
Mhm.
where they'll see how you teach,
Mhm.
they'll see how you go up with the lesson plan, and then they give you comments. This is where I understood where exactly I stand, where
Mhm.
exactly I need to improve.
Mhm.
So this point, we have Mr. Peter.
Mhm.
He was very strict at the beginning. That look was very scary at the beginning, and he was very straightforward with what he wanted to say. It's on the
Yeah,
face, like
exactly.
these things are not going well. These are not going well. You need to improve in these areas, and that is something which changed completely. Two favorite takeaways. One would be lesson planning for sure, because
Yeah.
I'm very stuck with lesson planning. I use it in my present day classroom too.
Mhm.
Second thing would be the last session where we had preparation for interviews. That is something which helped me a lot. So as I was even discussing with you my
Mhm.
journey with interview, so
Yeah.
a day before, this is for everyone, a day before, we had a session on how to face your interview calls, like what
Mhm.
exactly you're going to say when the interviewer is going to ask you questions,
Mhm.
how exactly you should be presentable to them,
Mhm.
what logic you should be speaking.
Mhm.
So a day before my interview, which was last month,
Mhm.
these trainings were given,
Mhm.
and next day morning is when I got my interview call, and that is when I remembered all the points I had to actually prepare for, and then I remember what exactly I had to do.
Mhm.
And that evening,
Mhm.
basically it was on a Tuesday, and Tuesday evening is when I got my offer letter.